Hi friends, welcome back to another Pathways to a Green Card video. In this video, I'm going to speak about the U visa, which is a crime victims visa. But before I do so, I want to give a huge shout out to folks in the Caribbean who have really been supporting a lot of what I've been doing. Folks in Jamaica, which is where I'm from, Grenada, Trinidad, Guyana, and folks all over the Caribbean have been showing me a lot of love. St. Lucia, Belize, I love it. And so thank you very much for your support. And of course, folks in the Philippines, oh my God, thank you for your support. I love you guys. The U visa is a crime victims visa. It is actually a non-immigrant visa, meaning that it is for a temporary lawful status period or a temporary stay here in the United States. The U visa, however, does allow for those folks who have that status to obtain a green card, which is why I'm talking about it under this series of Pathways to a Green Card. Now, the mechanics of this visa is actually very technical, so I'm going to be speaking about this in two videos. This is the part one of that discussion on the U visa, and in the next video I will speak about other things related to the visa. What is the U visa? The visa is for people who have been victims of crime, either directly, meaning that you suffered the harm, you were harmed, physically or mentally abused by someone, and you have helped law enforcement. You are cooperating with the police in solving this issue, investigating the crime. You are being helpful to the police. You will have a 4-year lawful status in our country, meaning that you can work lawfully. You don't have to be in hiding. You can work. You can obtain certain public benefits, and you can apply for a green card. You've been here 3 years with this U visa status. You can apply for a green card, and your children or your spouse can also obtain the green card, and that's huge. Let's talk about who this victim is. The victim, again, is someone who had directly been harmed physically or mentally, or someone who was indirectly harmed, meaning you were not the person to suffer the crime directly from the crime. It may have been your child. It may have been your child who was abused physically, sexually, emotionally. It may have been a parent or someone who was murdered. It may have been a spouse who was also harmed. And those people, let's say it was a parent, for example, that parent may be incapacitated. That parent might be in a coma. Or if it was your child, that child is considered incompetent under our law. So it provides this way for people who have suffered directly and indirectly from some sort of crime.